All right, everybody, so we're here at Norstar in Texas. I drove 5.5 hours to get here. They wanted to provide me with a dump trailer because I'm doing so many cleanups and I don't have a dump trailer. And so they wanted to help improve my life. And so this is Sean. He's gonna go around and show us kind of what we got going on. We're gonna check out what they made for us.
Absolutely. I just want to say, you know, we're very proud of the mission that you have, and we want to support it any way we can. So we appreciate the fact that we're able to put this together with you.
Sweet. Thank you.
All right, let's check it out. No problem. All right. Well, basically what we're going to look at is, and I know you've seen this online already a little bit, but this is actually our DTB series, and it is actually our Sniper series. Now the Sniper series is special because we created it to support a specific veterans charity. I don't know if you've heard of Canines for Warriors a little bit, right? We've partnered with them and we've actually had great success, and that's what the Sniper trailer represents. It represents patriotism, it represents America, it represents the toughness to get the job done.
That's awesome.
And we absolutely love what we're able to do. And Canines for Warriors provides veterans, you know, that suffer PTSD or other issues with service animals. So they train the dogs to be with the veterans. And I've been to a couple events now, and I can tell you that almost it is to a person that has had a dog said, that dog saved my life. Wow. That I was spiraling, that I was heading the wrong direction, and having that dog with them has meant the world. And another bonus is most of the dogs that they train come from shelters. The DTB is the flagship for Ironbull and Norstar. And the reason is toughness. You've got a dual 6-inch I-beam stacked frame. So you're looking at 24 pounds per square foot. Wow. There's not hardly anyone else in the industry that's doing it. They've all moved to a different, you know, like an 8-inch low beam. Something that is specific as well to Ironbull. You notice you got these big oversized corners. Yeah. This top rail is fully enclosed. Oh wow. 11 gauge. And we've got basically a 10-inch brake. And what that does when you combine it with that 7-gauge floor is it gives us the toughest dump bin in the industry. So even though these are 10-gauge sides, with that brake, you might as well call them 7-gauge. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. It just adds a rigidity to it and a toughness that no one else offers. What made you decide to talk with Ironbull?
So actually, I was looking for one of the toughest trailers I could get. Yeah. And Ironbull is one of the only companies, if not the only company, that provides the 7-gauge floor as a stock option. You don't cut any corners. You guys, you know, having something built tough. I want something that's going to last.
The hydraulic jacks. Now,
that's nice.
Yeah, well, I can tell you right now, if you were my age, that's the only way you would go, because all that cranking and everything else, that's for the birds. Is if you look underneath, you see those full-length bed runners. Yeah. So what that's designed to do is, along with that 7-gauge floor, it's designed to obviously increase its toughness. But you know, when you're starting to load equipment up, especially track vehicles, that's where they're going. Right. And if you look at some weaker floors and some different dumps that's happened, you see this in the floor. That's not going to happen here. It's just a little extra touch that increases the toughness, and we kind of think, you know, we always want to be where the customer wants to be, and that is, they don't want a warped floor.
Yeah, right? So the customer's spending a bunch of money on a trailer and they don't want it warped.
They don't want to hear, well, it's still okay, right? You want to keep it as good as you possibly can. And then of course the form cross members underneath, it all just really makes a nice small tray here in the front.
That's nice.
If you want to use it. And of course you saw the box,
way
oversized. And of course you can charge it right here, keep your battery going. All right, so.
It's got the solar panel around the top, right?
Solar panel, oh absolutely, yeah, it's going to help keep that charged.
Yeah, that's nice, that's real nice.
Ramp jacks, stands, stab jacks, they all call them different things.
Nice.
But, you know, obviously whenever you're loading up equipment, you're going to want that extra structure, strength to it. Now, with Ironbull, a few things come standard that don't come on other trailers. You mentioned that kind of verbally, right? So, not only do we have that barn door system, right? Pull, opens up all the way, and of course you just latch them to the side. But you also have a tailgate function where you can drop it like a truck. Oh, wow. And you pop here, bottom loosens up, it's spreader gate. Right. Wow. Standard always with DTB on an Ironbull.
That's nice.
We've got aluminum ramps under there now starting to become standard, as opposed to those heavy steel.
Yeah.
I mean, you got to be a bodybuilder sometimes to move those around. That wheel come out over that.
Oh wow. That was way lighter.
Now, stake pockets all around. If you ever want to, put extensions on here, whether it could be expanded metal, it could be solid. You'd obviously go back, down through this stake pockets, so it's going to raise it up about 2 feet, and it goes all around. That's what everything.
That's why I thought it'd be good going with the 2-foot walls, so that I could go ahead, if I need to load stuff from the side, it's a lot easier. But in the future, if I do want the higher walls, the more volume, I have the.
And they're removable, right? So you'll be able to. Now they're heavy, but they're removable, so you can do that. Spare tire mount there, and of course the standard tarp, which we'll use, which come all the way. So when it's all said and done, this version of the DTB, the Sniper, with all the equipment it has on it, this is pretty Cadillac, right? As far as what we do.
You guys are hooking me up.
But that I'm going to tell you, the frame with the dual 6-inch I-beam will not let you down. All the equipment that you see, that's standard, we did that because that's customer feedback. We're incredibly proud to be able to partner with you on this.
Well, I really appreciate it. I'm excited to use it. It's gonna elevate the work that I do for sure.
That's what it's built for. Hey man, again, we appreciate it, brother, and anything we can do from this point on, you just let me know.
I will. Thank you very much.